Alright, I'm going to make a little toolbox tour video. This is my home setup. I just got this Cornwell cart probably 6 months ago or so. I've got my big box over there still, but side note, I made this grinder stand the other weekend. It's my first welding project. Came out halfway decent. The welds aren't the greatest, but it's pretty nice. This is an old Blue Point grinder. I need to put some rubber on the feet so it doesn't rattle, but it's not too bad. Alright, but anyway, I got these parts trays on the side, mini screwdrivers, picks, little pocket pry bar, stubby screwdrivers, flashlights, tape measures, got magnet, power strip, some more flashlights and knives and stuff, ratcheting screwdrivers, pry bars, got my stream light, deep impact, 1/2-inch drive standard. This is pretty much split in half, standard and metric. I don't do much metric stuff. Got some other miscellaneous screwdrivers and stuff over here. Got 1/2-inch swivels, impacts. Pretty much all SAE. This is 1/4-inch. I think this is 1/4-inch metric though. Bigger sockets. 8 points, 12 point, 1/2-inch chrome deep, 6 point. Got some swivels. These are 3/8 impact deep. Some more 8 points. Pretty standard sockets. Metric deep. Chrome snap-ons. This is a pretty nice max set. 3/8 drive up to 24 millimeter. 3/8 drive metric swivels. And these are old Cornwell back there. Got Torx, Allens, and some 1/4-inch stuff down here. That's pretty much it for up here. I got a lot of crap jammed in here, but clip tools, Allen key set, ratchets, extensions, adapters, swivels, pliers. Got some picks, carbide scrapers. I got a little bit of everything in this drawer. Wrench drawer. Most of this is standard. I do have this metric set and the line wrench set. A lot of this stuff's snap-on. I got some more SAE line wrenches, 12 points. But I got a lot of crap in here. Got some gear wrench, some crow's feet over here. And then some hammers, channel locks, valve stem installer, temperature gun, files, punches, chisels, torque wrenches. I got the 3-piece electronic torque wrench set, snap-on at work. So I brought my old 1/2-inch home. And that's old 3/8. Some spark testers in there also. Turning over an engine on the flywheel. Air and electric tools. I got snap-on 1/4-inch electric ratchet, the stubby and the regular 3/8 Milwaukee impact, some batteries, die grinder, cutoff tool, hammer drill, impact, Milwaukee 3/8 and a Blue Point there, some drill bits. Got jump boxes, multimeter, heat gun, some battery tenders. Evidently it wasn't unlocked. 1/4-inch snap-on set, bit set, tire changer for like lawnmower tires and stuff like that. A couple compression testers, a leak down tester, extension cord. It's pretty much all that's in here. A lot of my specialty stuff's in this one. I just picked these up. I got some of them. They were rusty and the vapor rust. Snap-on stubbies. There's some duplicates also. But over here, got gloves, magnetic socket things. This is kind of car parts, some spare sockets, extra ratchets. This is pretty empty now. Some miscellaneous stuff, breaker bars, extensions, more ratchets, scissors, knives, all that kind of stuff, some specialty stuff, some more miscellaneous junk, razor blades. This is like spark plug wire making stuff. And here, this is a lot of the metric wrenches. I got some ratchet wrenches. I think these are some standard line wrenches. And I got 1/4-inch snap-on set. This 1/4-inch SAE Craftsman set. Just some other miscellaneous stuff. Got some levels, sharpening stones, some extractors, drill bits, line wrench style metric crow's feet, taps, extractors, dies, tap sockets, big drill bits, more punches, chisels, some wood chisels, plumb bob, some caliper stuff, files, big wrenches. I think most of these are SK. They go up to like 1.5 inches or something like that. Miscellaneous hammers, these Soltis wrenches, those are SK. Big Craftsman 3/4 drive ratchet. These are ESCO or ESCO, just some random sizes. I don't have a full set, but I don't work on anything that big that often, but I wanted a set. Zip ties and stuff like that. Excess pliers that I didn't swap over to the cart when I got it. Electrical carburetor adjustment tool. These are pretty good crimpers. I'm pretty happy with those. Got some back probe stuff, torch, test light. This is a little voltmeter, checking battery voltage. It's pretty much all that's in there. More screwdrivers. I got the 105th anniversary, some SK, some Craftsman, some cheaper ones. I think these are industrial. Got some brake tools, drum brake tools, impact driver, tire spoons, some pry bars, lady's foot, puller stuff, hacksaw, pipe wrenches, big adjustables. This used to be my main power tool and air tool drawer. I still have some impacts and stuff like that in here. Torch. This is a big snap-on bearing puller. This drawer's kind of a little miscellaneous everything. This is a battery tester, some levels, soldering gun, sawzall, grinder, grease gun. Then in here, got Milwaukee tire inflator, some batteries, chargers, welding mask, some other miscellaneous stuff in here, and some drill bits. And this is mostly like consumable stuff. Got the Milwaukee vacuum up there, but got the big pry bar. I think this is 54-inch or something like that. 48, whatever it is. That's pretty much it. I keep some regular wrenches and a screwdriver set over here. There's some more excess sockets and stuff in this toolbox, but I'm not going through and showing that. I need to make an updated video work because I bought a whole crap ton of tools since I made that last video a year or two ago, however long ago it was. But didn't go super in depth, but made it this far. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll make one on my work box because it's a lot more stuff, but bye.